Sean McCain. How the hell could you stop me? Why in the world would you try? I go hard forever. That's just how I'm designed. That's just how I was built. See the look in my eyes. You take all of this from me, and I'm still gonna survive. You get truth from me, but these rappers gon' lie. I'm a part of these streets till the day that I die. I wave out of the haters, man, that I finally done made it. Take a look, and you can tell that I'm destined for greatness. Tell me, what do you see when you're looking at me? On a mission to be what I'm destined to be. charge. Picture you beating the odds, picture you willing to bleed, picture you wearing the scar. Thank you for making me struggle, thank you for making me grind. I perfected my hustle, tell me the world ain't mine. You've been seeing me lately, I'm a miracle baby. I refuse to lose, this was the ghetto that made me. I put that on my father, trying to hope for tomorrow. When I think that I can't, I envision Obama, I envision the diamonds, I envision Ferraris. If the world was perfect, all my niggas behind me. Ain't you happy I made it? Then I'm making a statement. Take a look and you can tell that I'm destined for greatness. Tell me what do you see when you looking at me? Whoa, whoa, whoa. On a mission to be what I'm destined to be. Whoa, whoa, hey, whoa. I done been through the pain and the sorrow, the struggle, there's nothing but love. I'm a soldier, a rider, a ghetto survivor, and all the above. All the above, all the above.
Haiti, then I need some.
destroy. Tell them look at me, boy. I hope your son don't ever gun and never be a D-boy. What you've been through, no matter what you into, no matter what you see when you look outside your window. Brown grass or green grass, picket fence or barbed wire, never ever put them down. You just lift your arms higher, raise them till your arms higher. Let them know you there, that you struggling, surviving, that you gon' persevere. Yeah, ain't nobody leaving, nobody going home. Even if they turn the lights out, the show is going on.
Basketball Devotion.